Let's go, ready to roll. So let's jump right into it. Okay, so we'll start with the first section, call it the basics. Okay, we'll start with the first chapter, diamond introduction. We will see together first how are the diamond made, the chemical composition, physical properties, a diamond chain from mine to market. That will be our first chapter. Then we will jump right on the second chapter. What are the 4 C's? Okay, the carat knowledge, color recognition, clarity study, cut and proportion grading, okay, fluorescence, bloating, and light dispersion. So that will be in the second chapter. Then we go into the third chapter, lab ground diamond. That's what today is about. Natural diamond or lab ground diamond. We'll see what are the difference. Then we go number 4, diamond certificates. Okay, the world most recognized laboratories and how to get your diamond certified. So that will be on the 4th chapter. Number 5, so as you can see, there's a little mistake, but who cares? Number 6, we go instead of 5, we go to the knowledge of Rappaport. Rappaport is the one who is giving the actual price market. So that's the first section done. Second section, we go into the proficiency. Okay, we go polish evaluation. Okay, so to evaluate the diamond price. Then we go into a little bit the worldwide polished diamond market. Okay, then we jump into the chapter 8, the rough expertise, the natural rough identification. Okay, so we check how to identify a fake rough and the natural rough. That happens a lot. Fake rough diamond happens a lot. I know guys that bought with fake rough diamond when they traveled to Africa. That's a whole other story that I will tell you later. Then there's the bloating, the polish percentage yield evaluation, sawable, makeable, buying price calculation. Okay, that's very important. So how to buy rough diamond. Tomorrow you fly to Africa, we give you a rough diamond, you buy it, and then you go to Antwerp to sell it, or to Dubai to sell it, and you see that in Antwerp or Dubai or India they sell it for the same price. So do not go blind, you know, and I'll show you how to properly calculate it. Then we got the cutting and polishing section. Okay, so once you have your rough diamond, let's say you don't want to sell, you want to cut and polish it and sell it polished, so make more money. That's will be on our chapter 8. Then we go to the next station, the next section, which is the legal documents. Okay, chapter 9, the KPC. Okay, do not buy and export any rough diamond without KPC. Okay, that's called a fraud. Okay, if someone tells you that you can buy a rough diamond and export it to an X country without the KPC, that's a lie, and you can get a problem by law. So please, I will explain you what is the KPC, how the KPC looks like. Okay, and you can contact them. I'll give you some contacts. You can contact them and how to make your stone certified by KPC. Okay, then we go into the exploration. That's for those who are like me, a little bit adventure, you know, like Indiana Jones style. Okay, we got the mining process. That's a difficult one. The mining technique. There are different kind of mining, small scale, big scales. We will see everything in details. Then the land exploitation and agreement. Once you want to mine, okay, you find the land, and how do you deal with the landowner? That's the second part. And then the small scale mining process. So what kind of material you need to start the small scale mining. Okay, then we go into the let's say the paperwork. Okay, like I like it to call it, all the administration, the one that I don't like the most, to be honest with you. We go with chapter 11, the trading license. That's NMA. What is NMA? Okay, I will talk especially about Sierra Leone and Guinea. It's 2 countries that I've been to and that I, let's say, have the best expertise in. So what is NMA? Okay, how to not get scammed. I met so many scammers on the way, guys. I will tell you how to not get scammed, how to recognize them and all their talk. Okay, gold scam based on my experience. So I will show you like some screenshot of the discussion of a scammer that I spoke to. The guy wanted to sell me golds for a ridiculous price. So a diamond scam based on my experience as well. Okay, and if you have been scammed, what to do? Okay, that's very important. Then we got the section of legalize your business. Okay, you do not want to do this without a legit business. You must register a company. So where to register it? What is the best place where you can pay less taxes and where it will be the most convenient for you to register? So I will advise you Dubai. So I will explain you how to open there and how to register the company and how to set up as well a factory. Many people think that it's difficult to have your own factory, but actually not really. Okay, then we go section trading. So where to buy your rough diamond. and where to sell it. Okay, so buying rough, selling rough. Then chapter 15 we got where to buy your polished diamond. Okay, where is the cheapest place to buy it, where is the best place to sell it, how and where to sell it online. You know, usually you meet diamond dealer, they tell you, oh, I will put your stone on the market and we will sell it, you know. So what the market means, where he will go, he will go to the supermarket, sell it? No, guys. So I will explain everything on this chapter 15. Then we got into the next station, which is sales and marketing. Sales and marketing, which I think is the most important side of the business. Okay, if you have a strong marketing and sales, I think the one who reaches the final customer is the one who makes the profit. That's the key in, I think, every business. So how to start your jewelry business? Okay, so you define your line and set up the business plan and the steps of making a jewelry. Okay, so buying the loose diamond, casting the gold, printing, doing the 3D print, printing it, and then casting, and then setting up the stone on it, and polishing the end, and then selling it. Okay, so chapter 17, build your custom-made watch as well. So you got a watch, let's say, and you want to custom it. I'll show you how to do it and where to sell it. Okay, then we got the logistic parts of the business, all the worldwide logistic companies. So if you want to sell diamonds somewhere in the world, which are the company I would advise to work with. Then we go 19, testimony, diamond trafficking, guys. Diamond trafficking, I think you heard a lot about it. It's unfortunately every kind of product that high value is used for money laundering. Okay, so if you have someone telling you, I'm gonna buy you for $1 million worth of gold and diamond, and he wanna pay cash, you say no. Okay, that's the key. If you say yes, then you might end up behind bars. So, and I will explain you, based on a true story, a meeting that I had with some of those guys. You know, they wanted to buy from me stones, and I realized after that they were here for special needs. So I will tell you the whole story about it in chapter 19. Then we go phase psychology. Okay, the mindset you should have against naysayer. When you will start the business, you will have people telling you, no, it's too late, or the business is already overcrowded. People that are here have been doing this for the last 60 years. You cannot get into this business because you need to know someone that is already inside of the business. You know, all those naysayers, just forget about them. It's because they failed. They do not want you to making it, you know, or it's just because they are making money and they do not want you to make money with them. You know, you might take a small part of the market. So, and the 21, build your network, increase your network. That's very important. Okay, so that will be on the chapter 21. Okay, so, and there is another chapter that I will show you as well, the schools that I have been to and schools that I recommend. Okay, you do not want to spend thousands of dollars into a school, and at the end you don't know nothing about prices of a diamond, where to buy, where to sell. You know, we just show you a diamond on pictures, and that's it. And then the next day you go to an exhibition, we show you prices. You don't know how much they cost in the market, how to understand the market value of it. So I will give you some of my 3 best schools, you know, that I recommend, and you can start on your own and get it done. So good for now, and the next step we will start directly with chapter number 1. See you later, guys.